Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, I want to talk about graduation ga Simphiwe who is Mangwabe's firstborn, right? Mangwabe's only son. So guys, remember ukuthi khona uMangwabe on the latest episode Euthandweni Nesithembu, she did reveal on this other episode she was having lunch with uMagcele, and babekhuluma about i-issue yokuthi ubaba uMseleku ingane angayizaliyo vele nje akayisupport, akafuni ukuyisupport, akafuni ukuthi nje isinkwa sengane zakhe sihlechulelwe abanye ezinye ingane, like akafuni baba uMseleku. They were talking about that, and I remember uMagcele esithi khona yena ingane kaSine yayingavunyelwa ukuthi ihambe nge-transport yengane zikababa uMseleku esikolo, just because ayizalwa nguMseleku njalo ayizalwa kwaMseleku, so wayengafuni nje. So and then uMangwabe bevumelana nje, uMangwabe la yethu ukuthi ubaba uMseleku vele nje ingane angayizaliyo akayisupporting echo. And then uMangwabe then had a sit down with ubaba uMseleku. On that sit down ubaba uMseleku, that sit down happened ngesikhathi so found out ukuthi uMangwabe has a child, right? So yaba ngathi i-episode yankhona yaba ngathi isa damage control, isa like trying to address the public, because everyone was asking ukuthi how uMangwabe unengane outside of wedlock. But ubaba uMseleku wathi yena umpumelelo angashadini nomfazi or ne-baby mama, So people were like, how are you saying ukuthi umpumelelo angashadile baby mama ube wena ushadile baby mama? And then some people were saying ukuthi okay, probably ubaba uMseleku nje was addressing uMangwabe, was telling us about uMangwabe ukuthi uyaregreta ukushada le baby mama, just because why call ubaba uMseleku ukuthi okay, if ushadile baby mama, i-baby mama izohlezi nake ingane yayo le ezenayo, yabo. So nje savele sathi 1 + 1 2, ubaba uMseleku nje is addressing uMangwabe using umpumelelo, yabo. So now on this particular episode that I'm talking about, ubaba uMseleku esithubeni nje wavele wathi kuMangwabe, hey zinjani ingane? uMangwabe washo ukuthi hayi bayaphila Zenandi bashapu, the other child mbani uMawande uZenandelo sisi wakhe, I guess. uMangwabe wathi hayi bayaphila bashapo geli. Nangu baba uMseleku ethi how uSimphiwe ke. uMangwabe was shocked. uMangwabe wathi hayibo uSimphiwe, uyamazi uSimphiwe? Guys, and then with diary sessions uMangwabe was like, hey, I'm shocked ukuthi baba uMseleku ubuza ngoSimphiwe ngoba phela ubaba uMseleku doesn't care about uSimphiwe. Watch uMangwabe ku diary session. Of course I'm not saying it verbatim, but watch uMangwabe like in my own words. uMangwabe wathi yena she is responsible ngomntanakhe, be it school fees or whatever. Yena she makes sure ukuthi umntanakhe is catered for, and nje ama needs omntanakhe awahlupha uMseleku, uyazinakekelela umntanakhe nje. So in a nutshell, she was saying ukuthi yena she is fully responsible for umntanakhe. Yena ungumama aphinde abe ngubaba kaSimphiwe enguMangwabe, ubaba uMseleku nje. So the reason why I'm saying all of this is because bese ngithi phela uSimphiwe just graduated, and I saw from the pictures ukuthi ubaba uMseleku, it seems like he didn't attend the graduation, the real graduation, because the pictures that are there while he's still at school, there is uMangwabe and ugogo, uMangwabe ugogo kaSimphiwe. Then ubaba uMseleku angazi guys, ngiyafila nje ngile feeling nje yokuthi mhlambe ubaba uMseleku vele ubengazi lokuthi uSimphiwe uya graduate, maybe nje ubone ngama pictures sokupost ukuthi how uSimphiwe uya graduate, because phela vele according to what uMangwabe says, it seems like ubaba uMseleku nje akazingeni ezikaSimphiwe ukuthi kwenzakalani kutheni hayi akudingi yena akahlangene nje. So mhlambe maybe ubone ama pictures ku Instagram sokupost ukuthi how Simphiwe graduated, wasebuza kuMangwabe ukuthi how Mangwabe uSimphiwe ugraduated. uMangwabe wathi yes uSimphiwe graduated. Wathi how izoba khona yini graduation party or something? uMangwabe wathi ayi graduation party izoba khona, ungiyeza mawufuna asekuforced. Hi guys, vele he had to be there, and then maybe wasehamba. I'm just saying because like he didn't attend the graduation ceremony because he was not there on the pictures. The pictures indaba le masixoxa sebenza ama pictures ithi yona ubaba uMseleku didn't attend the graduation ceremony, but they took pictures with him. I think it was a celebration lapha because we khona cake and like some goodies. Mbona khona ukuthi hayi kuthwe ungeza mawuthanda sikuforced, yabo. So yeah man. But anyways, I'm just saying ukuthi ubaba uMseleku nkosi yami. Okay, another thing, it's just my analysis, just indlela engicabanga ngayo nje. You don't really have to believe it, but like ngiyazibuza ukuthi ngiyayivuma yazi into leyo kunywa uMangwabe ukuthi ubaba uMseleku akahlangene nje lento kaSimphiwe nje. Might be true because why uSimphiwe engekho kwizingane zesithembu? Because uSimphiwe phela is also a social media personality. I think he's into music or something of that sort. So ingane zesithembu was going to give him exposure, but like they didn't put him there. I guess maybe it all goes back to ukuthi vele bemfihlile babesifihlele nje ukuthi uMangwabe has a son. Yazi angazi what was the reason. Angifuni la kancane nje ukucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ubaba uMseleku didn't want kwakuthi uMangwabe akhulume ngoSimphiwe, didn't want kwakuthi uSimphiwe athole ama privileges akoMseleku to an extent yokuthi uMangwabe wafise wanyanya wathi what ngingiphinde ngikhulume ngengane yami lo baba uMseleku and I'll just take care of my son outside of him. Angifuni nje ucabanga njalo, angifuni ngiyatsho nje. So guys, so ubaba uMseleku nje esethe sece ku graduation picture laphana eceleni kukaSimphiwe, kwangathi nje hey he's a responsible father, but like we all know what Mangwabe said. Anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section about this whole thing. Otherwise, also guys, what if, okay, so I'm just asking, okay, if you are a baby mama and you're married to this man, right? And this man nje akahlangene nengane yakho nje ozelayo, ifizi nguwe okhokhela ingane leyo. That time, this man affords to pay fees for the son. Do you think this man would be happy if your son graduates? I'm just saying. Hey, Kuning. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.